Critical issues with BISI Adewale.
Cheated on my wife some month ago, and I opened up to her. She promised that she has forgiven me, and I believe she did. But from then, she never trusted me again. She became so suspicious, and she's a little bit distant from me. Please, what should I do to make her trust me again and to bring her closer?
Critical issues with BISI Adewale.
Thank you for joining me in the video of critical issues with BISI Adewale. Today, I appreciate you greatly. The question is from a man who cheated on his wife. He himself opened up to the wife, and the wife said she forgive, but she has not been able to trust the man again ever since. So the man is worried, and he's asking what is the thing he can do to make sure that his wife can trust him again. Wow, that's a very big one. Please let me tell you that forgiveness is easy. Restoring trust is another ball game. It takes a process. It takes deliberate process on the person that want to trust again, and it takes deliberate process on the person that want to be trusted. You are going to build trust. You are going to build trustworthiness. You are going to show yourself to be worthy of trust before you can be trusted again. And these involve being totally open to the person. Let the person knows your movement. Let the person knows your decision, where you are going, changing your environment, changing your association, putting yourself in the place where your partner will feel comfortable that you have truly changed, removing code from your phone, totally open for the person you are with to be very happy that truly you have changed. If you say you are no more doing that thing, but you still continue the same lifestyle, it will be very difficult for the one you marry to trust you. That is why trustworthiness is on the part of the person that is seeking the trust of the partner, and you must go all out to make yourself trustworthy. I remember a particular lady and her husband. They were in my office. The woman cheated, and they came to my office. The woman decided to stop the affair, confessed to the husband, and to build trust, know what she did? She told the husband to put a particular software on her phone. The first thing is she removed the SIM that this boyfriend knew. She broke it and gave it to the husband. She now told the husband to buy another SIM card. It was that serious. So the man bought another SIM card, and she now told the husband to put a particular software on her phone so that whenever she receives a phone call, the husband will get the details. The husband can even listen to the conversation. And this thing continued for about 9 months. About 9 months for the husband to receive a text messages, the husband to receive a call, and the husband discovered that she's been faithful for this 9 months. Then the husband removed the software, totally removing the software, because the woman proved to be trustworthy, and the result is she got the trust of her husband back. That is how to build trustworthiness in marriage. It doesn't happen by accident. Trust is not just a feeling, it's a reality. It's based on substance. You need to learn how to build it. So if you want the trust of your wife again, do something drastic. Change your association, change a lot of things, Let her know your movement. You can even get the software and put it on her phone and your phone, so that you can allow her to monitor you and never go into the error again. Trustworthiness, trust becomes so difficult. If you are caught in need the first time, you are forgiven and trusted again, you go into it again, it will take God for you to ever be trusted again. There are things you're supposed to do for your marriage to make it a super marriage. One of them is learning. Learn deeply, keep on learning. There's no time you will know marriage enough. The second one, if you want to learn, you need to read quality books. And if you want to read quality books, we have a set of books that I call Super Marriage Bundle. If you want a marriage that will be tantalizingly romantic, that will be joyful, that will be peaceful, a marriage of rest.
Now, you can make your marriage sweeter, stronger, better, tantalizing, and more romantic by joining our 31 Days Marriage Makeover Bootcamp, where you're going to watch 34 uncommon videos on intimacy, finance, sex, romance, and lots more that will turn your marriage around forever. Quickly go to familiarcourses.com and start the journey of fruitful, blissful, and successful marriage now. You get it at 75% discount if you get the course today.